Okay, today I'll be showing the Twilight Zone. Okay, so you have the fire, and what you want to do is take something pointy and push the wick down like this. Push it to the corner or the side, if you can see it there. You push it to the side a little bit. So that's the point, because when you trap the fire and then when you set off the wind, it ignites it and it comes back up like this. Okay, so you take your fingers or whatever way you want to do it. Fire is very dangerous, so be sure not to burn yourself. Take 2 fingers wherever you want to do it. You get rid of the fire, and then it's gone. And then if you want it back, you have some sort of wind or air to move it so it comes back. So you do this and you throw it back like that. See, like that. See, I flipped it right back. This is a very cool trick for family and friends. You can impress people. So, this will only work with a real Zippo lighter. And if you want to impress people and make it like you actually know how to use them, it's a good idea. Have a good day.